Good morning, guys. Uh, in previous lecture, we have covered the concept of management, the evolution of management. So, in evolution of management, we have covered the all 4 to 5 types of approaches or management approaches. So, in that we have covered first one is what? Classical approach. Second one is your behavioral approach. Third one is your quantitative or management science approach. Fourth one is system, and fifth one is contingency approach. So as we know that in classical approach we have covered, actually this classical approach, it is basically gives more importance to the organizational efficiency. Okay, means by using organizational efficiency we can achieve our organizational success. Now next one is what? Your behavioral behavioral approach. Okay, so actually in this approach we have given more importance to the human things. Okay, means human resources. The next one is what? By using this by using this human resources you can achieve your goals. Okay, now next one is what? Your quantitative or management science theory. Actually by using scientific methods we can achieve our organizational goals. Then next is what? Your system approach. So in this whole organization will work as a system to achieve their target or achieve their goal. And next one is what? Your contingency approach. So in contingency approach we have seen that it is related to the manager's skill. So as we know that this is a situational in nature. So what is the situation, or which is, if the problems are arised in the organization, then how the managers are going to overcome these problems. So how he is going to apply their skill to overcome these problems to achieve the organizational goal. So this is about your contingency approach. Okay, so in previous lecture we have seen these 4 to 5 approaches in detail. Now next also we have seen those various definitions, means standard definitions which have given by some scientists. Okay, there are 8 to 9 standard definitions which can be asked in your exams for the 2 to 3 marks also. Okay, then we will see the some characteristics of the management. So as we know that there should be some characteristics of that management concept. Okay, so first one is what? The management, it is a continuous and never ending process. So as we know that this management, it is a continuous process, it is never ending process, as we know that. Okay, because there are we need to execute some we need to execute some strategic plans. So according to this we need to develop some strategic plans, then we will execute these plans according to the company's policies. Okay, then next, so first characteristic is what? It is a continuous in nature and it is a never ending process. Now next one is what? Second is what? This is your definition, getting things done through the people. This is the second characteristics. Then third one is what? It is a result oriented science. As we know that we need to execute some plans and we need to achieve our company's goal, so it should be a result oriented in nature. Okay, then fourth one is what? It is a multidisciplinary in nature. As we will see in further that there are various departments in the organization. So each department will work to achieve their goals, and combinedly we will get this whole effort to achieve the organizational goals or objectives. Okay, so this is a multidisciplinary in nature. And also from this we can conclude that it is a group activity. As we know that it is not an individual activity because it is a group activity, so it should be it should be a different characteristics. Okay, we will see in next. Okay, so fifth is one was your group, it is a group activity, not an individual activity, because this management, it is a disciplinary in nature. Okay, then sixth one is what? The management should follow the company's policies or company's established rules, okay, to achieve the goals. Then seventh one is what? Added but not replaced by computer. It means what? It is completely not replaced by computers, because we will take a help from computer, but it is not replaced by computer. Then eighth one is what? Situational in nature. As we know that in contingency approach we have seen that some situations, some difficult situations, it is given to the managers, so it is a situational in nature. Then ninth one is what? Need not to be an ownership. As we know that it is a group activity, so it should not be it should not need any ownership, okay, for this execution. So it is an uh, group activity, so that it need not to be an ownership. Okay, it is a 10th one is what? It is a art as well as a science. As we know that it is an art. What? Why art? Because we are getting things done through people, so it is an art that we are controlling the peoples and getting things done through these peoples, so it is an art. And science, why? Because we should follow, or we are following some established rules or some established companies policies, so it is a science also. Okay, the next one is what? Management is all pervasive. Now pervasive means what? It is a comprehensive in nature, or you can say in Marathi vyapak. It is a vyapak concept actually. Then next one is what? Management is intangible. It is intangible means not a physical presence. It is occurred in management. Okay, so we can say this it is an intangible in nature. Now next one is what? It uses a professional approach in work. Okay, as we know that we are using some scientific methods to achieve our goal, so it is a professional in nature. And also it is a dynamic in nature. Okay, so this is some characteristics of the management. Okay, these characteristics can be asked in your exam for 2 to 3 marks. Okay, so try to remember these characteristics of this management. Okay, because from the management from the definition of this management, you should come to know that what should be the characteristics of that management. As we know that the things to be done through the people, this is one characteristics. As it is not in group activity. Okay, it should be a second characteristics. Then what we can say, it is a situational in nature. It is a multidisciplinary in nature. We can say that it is a pervasive, means it is a comprehensive process. We can say that also that it is a continuous and it is not never ending process. Okay, so these are some characteristics of the management. Okay, now next one is what? We will see the main topic, that is levels of management. So as we know that in any organization or in any multinational company, as we know that this multinational company includes various departments. Okay, for example, your production department, quality department, the next one is your research and development department, R&D department, that we can say that R&D department, purchase department, store department, transportation department, HR department. So there are various departments in the organization. Okay, so there should be some levels. So, okay, means first top level management, second one is your middle level management, and third one is your first level manager. So first level top level management means what? Company's CEO, or you can say president or vice president. Now middle level management is what? In middle level, these departmental heads, it should be included in a middle level management. And the first level management means, in first level management, these supervisors, your foreman or your section heads at a ground level. Okay, means in a production side, in a quality control side, there are some supervisors, some section heads, some foreman. So these managers or this type of managers, it should be included in first level management. So we will see their functions and which type of manager is included in which type of level. Okay, so top level management. So as we know that in top level management, it consists of board of directors, president, vice president, then CEOs of the company. Okay, and they are responsible for company's execution, or actually they are responsible for controlling and overseeing the entire organizations. Means they will control the entire organization. This company's CEO or company's president, vice president, they will be responsible for entire organization. Okay, now because they will develop the goals, they will develop the strategic plans, also they will control the company's policies and make decisions on the direction of the company's policies. Okay, so they will develop the company's policies, they will develop the strategic plans to execute the company's goals or to achieve the company's goals. Okay, so this is about your top level management. So we will see some functions of the top level management. Okay, so the role of what should be the role of top level management? Okay, so top management lays down the objectives and broad policies of the enterprise. Means what? They will develop the objectives of the entire organization, and they will develop the company's policies, and they will guide the middle level management and first level management by using these company's policies. Okay, the next one is what? They will issue some necessary instructions. Okay, they will issue some necessary instructions for preparation of departmental budgets, then procedures and schedules. Means what? They will develop the departmental they will develop, or they will give the instructions to the middle level management to prepare the departmental budgets. They will instruct also for the procedures and how the middle level management will these middle level managements are going to execute the plan which is made by the top level management. Okay, so this is your second role. The third role is they will prepare the strategic plans and policies for the entire organization. Okay, and they will appoint the executive for middle level, that is departmental management. Okay, it means what? They will appoint the executive, means what? Your general manager, it is the executive. So they will appoint the executive for middle level management. Okay, means what? Departmental manager. Then next one is what? They will control and coordinate the activities for all the departments. Means what? They will develop some strategic plans for the middle level or first level management, and they will coordinate to their plans towards the middle level management. Okay, then next role is what? They are responsible for maintaining a contact with the outside world. As we know that a multinational company, it has some shareholders. Okay, so they are responsible, this top level management are responsible to make a contact with outside world. Means what? Say their shareholders, their customers, okay, marketing team. Okay, these are the responsibility of the top level management. Okay, now next is what? Middle level management. So as we know that there are various departments in your company or in your organization. So for example, production department is there, quality department is there, research and development department is there, purchase department, HR department, transportation department, marketing department. So all the departments are there. So to execute the departmental activities, we need the departmental head. So these departmental heads are included in middle level manager. As we know that company's general manager, this general manager, then department branch managers. Okay, as we know that departmental manager is also there. For example, for production manager is there. For example, quality manager is there. For R&D department, there should be a R&D manager. For purchase department, there should be a purchase manager. Okay, so all these categories of these managers, these are included in your middle level managers. Okay, so they will consist from general manager to branch manager to departmental managers, and actually they are responsible to the top level managements. Actually they are responsible for top level managements for their departmental function. Actually means the top level managements will give the strategic plan towards the middle level management, and they are responsible to execute these top level management strategic plans in a effective and efficient way. Okay, now we will see some functions of the middle level management. So as we know that the middle level management, it is responsible for the top level management's strategic plan. So they will design, they will develop, or they will implement the effective groups. Okay, so effective group means what? They will create some effective groups. Effective group means the groups which are included in first level manager. Okay, so they will develop and they will implement the effective groups and intergroup work in the and information systems. Okay, so they will make some groups, they will divide their work in their intergroups. Okay, and then they will define and monitor the group level performance of that intergroups. Okay, so first they will make, or they will divide their work in the groups. They will then they will control all the activities of these intergroups, and they will take the feedback of these intergroups, and also they will check the performance of that intergroups. Okay, next function is what? They will diagnose or resolve the problems created in intergroups. Okay, so as various problems will be created in the intergroups, they have okay, so to solve these problems, these middle level managers are responsible. Okay, so this is about your middle level management. Now we will see next first level manager. So first level managers, these are the role models for the company actually, because actual work is done by this first level manager. As we know that the first level managers will control or wholly responsible for the production of the company. Means for production, for quality check, these managers are solely responsible. Why? Because the interaction with employees can be made through these first level managers only. What are the problems created in the employees? What are their expectations? What is the performance of the employees? These such type of activities are controlled by first level managers. So first level managers are your supervisors. Okay, your production supervisors, your foreman, your any section heads. These are included in your first level managers. So first level manager is a role model for the company, because all the production activities are controlled by these first level managers only, and first level managers gives the performance feedback, gives the turnover feedback to the middle level management based on the employees performance. Okay, so the first level manager, it will consist of supervisors, section leads, foremen, etc., and they will focus on controlling and directing to the employees. Okay, so first level managers are role models for the employees, and they will provide basic supervision, motivation amongst the employees, career planning amongst the employees, and performance feedback to the middle level management. So this is about your first level managers. Okay, so up to this we have covered top levels of the management, characteristics of the management. Now in next lecture we will see the concept of administration and what is the basic difference between administration, or whether administration is same like management, or it is a different concept than management. Okay, so in next lecture we will see these concepts. Okay, so here I will conclude this lecture. Thank you.